front of me is ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, click on More icon then, and then select Call Settings. Here you should scroll down, find and pick More Settings, click on OK, and then select Voicemail. And here, if you would like to personalize sound notification, just click on Sound, and here you can pick the one that you like the most. Let me just volume your device up as it is muted, and now you'll be able to hear all the options that you can apply then. And then just pick the one that you like the most. Click on OK. And that's it. As you can see, voicemail notification sound has been changed, so congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.